So today, we will apply all our learnings to real-life problems. I have mentioned already the importance of understanding volume, and as I said, it's very important when dealing with the amount of space you need in a specific objects or things. Now let's read a story for today about Elsa's collection. Elsa collects different sizes of Rubik's Cube to develop her logical intelligence. Her latest cube collection has a side of 5 centimeters. What is the volume of the cube? Now, when you say volume, it is the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object as measured in cubic units. Now, to find for the volume of a cube, we need to use or follow the formula for the cube. But how are we going to solve word problems? Now, I have here steps in solving word problems. To analyze and solve word problems, you need to remember the steps. First is think. You understand the problem. Next, know. What is asked? What are the given facts? What is the word clue? Next, plan. What operation will you use? What is the mathematical sentence? And lastly, solve. Solve and state the complete answer. And then when you solve, you need to follow ESA form. When you say ESA, it's the equation first or the formula, then substitute the formula, then solve, and after that, state the complete answer. Now, let's apply the steps in the given problem. So we have, the question is, what is the capacity or what is the volume of the cube having the side which is 5 centimeters? First is you need to think, you understand the problem. We know that we are going to find for it's more about cube. And then what is asked? The question is, what is the volume of the cube? And the given fact is that the size of the cube is 5 centimeters, and the word clue there is the word volume. Now, what operation will you use? So, the mathematical sentence is we are going to use the formula, which is V is equals to S times S times S. Then we are going to solve. Now, let's apply. So we have the formula of the cube is V is equals to S times S times S. Then substitute the given. We have 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters. So when you multiply 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 is 125, and then as the last part, you need to state the complete answer. So 125 cubic centimeters, since we are multiplying 3 sides. Or you can also write it as 125 cubic centimeters. So it's just the same. Now, let's have more examples. A crate is 3 meters long, 2 meters wide, and 3 meters tall. What is the volume of the crate? A crate is a wooden case used for storing goods. Since the given has a length, width, and height, therefore, we are talking about the prism. So you can see in the picture, it looks like a prism. So for the prism, the formula that we are going to use is volume is equals to the length times the width times the height. For the length, we have 3 meters multiplied by 2 meters and multiplied by 3 meters. So you multiply 3 times 2 is 6 times 3, that is 18 cubic meters. So applying the formula or following the ESA form, you give the equation, then solution, and then state the final answer. Now, next problem. A box of juice is 15 centimeters long, 5 centimeters wide, and 20 centimeters tall. What is the volume of the box? Now, since this forms a prism, the formula that we are going to use is length times width times the height. So for the length, it's 15 centimeters, the width is 5 centimeters, and the height is 20 centimeters. So when you multiply 15 times 5 times 20, you will get 1,500 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the volume of the box is 1,500 cubic centimeters. Last example. A cargo container measures 10 by 10 by 10. What is its capacity? So when you say capacity, it's also the volume, and as you can see in the given measurement, it has the same measurement as the length, the width, and the height. Therefore, it is a cube. So following the formula, volume is equals to S times S times S. We have 10 times 10 times 10. So when you multiply 10 times 10 times 10, you will get 1,000. But what is our unit? Because in the steps, you need to make it complete, but there is no unit specified here. Therefore, if there's no unit of measurement, you will just use 1,000 cubic units. Therefore, the capacity of this cargo container is 1,000 cubic units. So again, in solving word problem, do not forget to think, understand the problem, what is asked in the problem, what are the given facts, what is the word clue, then what is the mathematical sentence, then solve and state the correct answer. And do not forget to use ESA form. Equation first, solution, then final answer.